Hi, I'm Tarek from Light Up My Life and Light Sounds Brisbane. Today we're just doing a demonstration of our Faze machine, which is very similar to a haze machine. This is the Antari Z-350. So we have these machines in hire. Great machine if you just want to phase a sort of a medium-sized room to a large room. The idea being, as a phase machine, it mimics what a haze machine does, but uses normal fog fluid. This is the Antari Heavy Fog, which is what we use in this machine. This machine will give you a sort of like a cigarette smoky effect in your room, which is really good for seeing lasers, lights, and those sort of effects. Now, straightforward machine to use. There's really not a lot to control with this machine. Basically, we have an on-off switch. When you turn the machine on, you'll note that the switch lights up. These machines, as they have a heater in them, they do take about 5 to 10 minutes or so to warm up. Basically, on the back of the machine, you've only got two controls. You'll notice the green light is flashing, showing that the machine is warming up. You have your fan and you have your output. You also have DMX control if you did want to DMX control this machine. And I'd imagine that you're only going to have control of the output of the fan and the output level. To top the machine up, it's just a matter of undoing this cap, using the funnel and filling the machine up. There is a window on the back to show you how much level of fluid that you've got in here. And you can fill this one almost to the top. That will give you probably hours of use. The only other thing with these machines is they do need to be stored upright. You have fluid and power. They're two things you don't want to mix together. That's the Antari Z-350 Faze machine. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so you get a notification when new content is posted.